Welcome back to Fact Digest. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss 7 simple steps you can follow to achieve fast weight loss. While it's important to prioritize healthy and sustainable weight loss, we understand that some of you may have time-sensitive goals. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Set realistic goals. The first step in your weight loss journey is setting realistic goals. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, as this is considered a safe and sustainable rate of weight loss. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is not a sprint but a marathon. Step 2. Create a calorie deficit. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. Calculate your daily calorie needs and aim to create a calorie deficit of 500 to 1,000 calories per day. This can be achieved through a combination of diet and exercise. But be cautious not to excessively restrict your calorie intake. Step 3. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on consuming a balanced diet that includes plenty of nutrient-dense foods. Fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential nutrients while keeping you satisfied. Step 4. Control portion sizes. Be mindful of your portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portions visually. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and aim to eat until you feel satisfied rather than stuffed. Step 5. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss. Sometimes, we mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Make water your go-to beverage and aim to drink at least 8 cups a day. Water can also help you feel fuller and prevent overeating. Step 6. Be physically active. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Additionally, engage in strength training exercises twice a week to build lean muscle and boost your metabolism. Step 7. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a significant role in weight management. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones related to hunger and fullness, leading to increased cravings and appetite. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support your weight loss efforts. Conclusion. And there you have it. 7 simple steps to fast weight loss. Remember, while these tips can help you achieve your goals, it's important to prioritize your health and well-being throughout the process. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.